This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. Today I'm going to be talking to you about navigating your passport issue that you have with the Internal Revenue Service. I worked about 10,000 cases as a former agent. I worked there 10 years. I have a national practice. You can go to my website at 777irs.com and you can see everyone that's here. I've been on the national news about, I don't know, 8 to 10 times, on Fox a couple times, CBS, NBC, ABC, The Briefing Room, Newsmax, News Nation, a whole bunch of stations. So whatever I tell you pretty much is going to be the gospel or a gold standard of what you need to know. I'm not a salesperson, like I said. I am a former IRS agent. I know the truth, and you don't need to listen to a lot of the garbage, in fact, that's out there. If you owe over $59,000 in tax debt, IRS usually files a federal tax lien on you, and then that gives you the right for gives IRS the right to go ahead and file a 508C letter. God, I've done so many videos today. 508C letter letting you know that they're going to restrict, deny, or suspend your passport. They send you that letter and they let the State Department know as well. IRS, through the FAST Act, really fast move on their part, went ahead and started denying people about 5 years ago. I think they sent out about 400,000 letters this year alone denying and restricting passports. What you can do to get it back and how you navigate that is the State Department knows you owe serious, it's considered serious debt, $59,000. Not in my book, but IRS considers it serious. $59,000 debt. IRS wants to close that case on you, and they want to close it either with a hardship, a currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or you can file an offer in compromise if it's a valid offer in compromise. That requires you to call IRS. Don't call them unless you know what's on the other end of that phone. I tell people all the time, they make these calls, they call me, say, oh, I shouldn't have made the call, now I got a $3,000, $4,000 payment agreement, I don't know what to do. I've already given them the information. If you know what you're doing, call them. If you don't, don't. Don't. It ain't going to be a good day for you. But anyway, if you are or whether you're not, you call IRS. You give them a financial statement, a 433F or a 433A, depending who has the case, and they look at that information. They'll want documented proof by bank statements, tax returns. They want to know where you're spending your money in your pay stub, and they'll put you in one of those three categories. At that time, they go ahead and notify the State Department they resolved the debt, and you should go ahead and get your passport back, usually within 6 weeks. However, if you blew the 90-day letter, the 508C letter, you're going to have to apply for a new passport. It's not that complicated, but you have to read the notice and go from there. If you owe a large debt, you're wasting your trying to get this done fast. Many people can't go where they want to go because IRS doesn't have the time to work the cases nor the people in that fast of a matter. We can get it back as soon as possible, but it does take time to do that. We know what to give them, when to give it to them, and who to contact. If you need us, give us a call. Thank you for listening. Make sure all your tax returns are filed. And more importantly, give me a subscription. We need subscriptions. Why? Because YouTube says we do. Give me a YouTube subscription. Thank you.